Hey there guys! Today Roblox has just made an announcement that they have added a new feature so that you can now transfer the ownership of your game experience to a group free of charge. Come with me now and we're gonna explore this new feature and see how we can transfer a game ownership that I own to a group that I also own. So let's take for example this game Pebble Heaven, and if I view this on Roblox, you're gonna see that this game is currently owned by Price Counterpuncher. That's me. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna transfer the game ownership to my group. To do that, I'm gonna go to my game right here in the Creator Hub. On this next page, you're gonna look for Settings, click on Settings, and just page down to the bottom. You're gonna see a button, Initiate Ownership Transfer. Click on that. You can read all the transfer details and go to the bottom, check this box here. I have read and acknowledged the implications of ownership transfer. Click on Next. Here you can select the group that you want to transfer ownership of this game to. So I'm going to select this group right here, Piggy Fan Game Dev Team. Click on that. And go down here, we're going to retype in the name of this experience just for verification. So it's going to be Pebble Heaven. And now click on Initiate Transfer. Okay, so now we're all done on this end. You can see here my transfer is waiting to be accepted. Now I have received a couple of different notifications. The first one here is your ownership transfer request for Pebble Heaven has been initiated. And the second notification is Price Counterpuncher has requested to transfer ownership of Pebble Heaven to your group, Piggy Fan Game Dev Team. Let's click on that. Here I have a few different options. I can view to accept. I can edit in Studio or view on Roblox. Why don't I just view to accept? I'm going to click on Next. And again, you can read the transfer details if you like. Check this box over here. I have read and acknowledged the implication of ownership transfer. Click on Next. Again, over here, we're just going to re-enter the name of the experience and click on Accept Transfer. Enter the two-step verification code and click on Verify.
A few seconds later.
Ownership transfer is in progress. You have accepted the request to own Pebble Heaven. Transfer is currently in progress and may take a few minutes. We'll notify you once the transfer is complete.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so after about a minute, I received the notification that the transfer has been completed. And I went back to my game, Pebble Heaven. It's now no longer my game because it is now owned by the group, Piggy Fan Game Dev Team. Guys, that is how you transfer ownership of your game to a group. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.